Running and modifying reports in JAMS. In this video, we will show you how you can run and modify reports generated from your jobs and setups. In the first section, we will demonstrate how to submit an existing report using the JAMS client. In the second section, we will modify a report by tapping into the powerful tools available in the JAMS Report Designer. JAMS includes a collection of reports ready to be used right out of the box. These include the Detailed Job Report, which gives us a visual for all the information on a job. Jobs Per Submitter Report, which contains information that will help you see where your jobs are originating from. The Current Schedule Report, which displays the job name, description, current state, and scheduled time of all jobs within a time window we define. The Completion Status Per Day Chart, which shows us the final severity of the total jobs run within a time window, and many more. To access these reports, let's begin by selecting the Reporting tab and choosing the Open icon on the ribbon bar. The Open JAMS Report dialog displays a list of categories containing both user-created and pre-installed reports. Next, let's expand a category, highlight one of the listed reports, and then select the OK button. We could also open any previously saved standalone reports by choosing the File button and navigating to that file. After the report has been selected, a Parameters dialog appears. For this example, let's modify a parameter property and choose the Submit button to run the report. Once the report is completed, it appears in Print Preview mode. From this screen, we can choose to print the report, export the file to another location, or attach it to an email using a variety of popular formats, including PDF, Excel, JPEG, and GIF. Finally, let's save the report to our preferred local or remote location. The JAMS client contains a built-in report designer that allows you to modify any existing report or, if you choose, create an entirely new one from scratch. In order to get familiar with the report designer, we will demonstrate how to modify an existing report. To open the report designer, select the JAMS tab, choose the report icon on the ribbon bar, and then click the Open icon. From the Open JAMS Report dialog, let's expand a category, highlight a report, and choose the OK button. Notice how the report's components now appear in the center layout palette, bounded by other tool and property panels. Each panel contains unique settings and controls that are used to define and customize any component of our report. For example, the Toolbox panel contains an assortment of control objects available to be added to the report, such as fields, labels, and picture boxes. The Report Explorer panel displays the report structure using a tree format. The Field List panel provides an ordered list of the report's field controls, linked with the underlying JAMS data. Finally, the Property Grid panel includes extensive format and layout settings that are used to modify any object placed in the report area. To make a modification to the report, let's start by modifying an object in one of the report layout bands. Each band separates key sections of the report, such as headers and footers, as well as the report's palette area. For this example, we will modify the color of main title label and then insert a line control just below the title. To begin, highlight the title in the report's header band. Then, from the Property Grid, let's expand the foreground color drop-down and choose Crimson. Next, we will insert a new line by dragging a line control to the report's header band and positioning it below the title label. Finally, let's see how our actual report will look by selecting the Print Preview tab and clicking the Submit button. Our built-in report designer contains a large collection of settings and controls to help you define and customize any kind of report, from the simple to the complex. To learn more about this powerful JAMS feature, check out our follow-up video, where we teach you to use the Report Designer wizard to build a report from scratch.